to take a second to show you how to access the Google Meet link in your Google Classroom. So this is a brand new thing that Classroom rolled out not too long ago to make it easier for students to set up synchronous meetings or for teachers to set up synchronous meetings with students. So you might not see it in there automatically, so I want to show you some of the settings around it. So if you're in your classroom, you'll go up to your settings icon, the gear icon up here. Scroll down and under General, you're going to see Meet. There's a few things I want to show you in here, partially for security reasons, but also so you know how to do it. So if it's not turned on, you can click this little slider to turn it on so that your students will see that link at the top of their classroom stream. A few things to note and a couple tips. In here, if you click on this drop-down menu, you can reset your code. The other thing you can do is turn it off. So what I would recommend, and what I'm doing, prior to my office hours and outside of my office hours, I have this link off so that students can't see it. Now the nice thing with this link is it's supposed to be set up so that students can't join without the teacher. That being said, I don't want students copying the link and sending it around, so I'm just going to make it invisible so it's not showing on the classroom stream. When I have my office hours and want to turn it on, what I will typically do, I'll turn it on, I'll click here, and I'm going to reset my code. So that means that if anyone has shared out the link for any reason, now that link doesn't matter. This is the only one that's valid, and if I hit save, I can go back to my classroom stream and the new code is posted there. This is an easy way to get students into office hours and do sort of class meetings for synchronous video, so I wanted to make sure you knew that this was a new possibility that could make life a little bit simpler for you.